So I've just started the HPB apps. And this is the current status. I've obtained 10 out of 30 MVPA minutes. So I'm going to show you that you can actually achieve a cumulative MVPA minutes by intervals. So this 10 MVPA minutes was achieved by walking to the grocery store. So next, I'm going to turn on my heart rate tracker again, and I'm going to go out for my lunch. Let's turn on our heart rate tracker. So we have completed our meals. Let us now attempt to check on the number of steps we have completed as well as the MVPA minutes. So the apps is syncing to our tracker. So as you can see, we have now achieved 13,613 steps, and our MVPA minutes has gone from 10 to 52 minutes. So this shows that we can continue to accumulate our MVPA minutes throughout the day, each time by turning on our heart rate tracker. And this will enable us to get the 40 health points maximum for each day.